Hello YouTube, Adirondack Camping Adventures. Thought I'd show you another nice place by the water that is right near my house. A couple minutes walk from my house. This nice spot here. Right under the bridge. This is a nice spot. Come here, go fishing quite often. Tonight I'm just seeing what's going on. Wanted to see how high the water was and how fast it was moving. It's actually slowed quite a bit compared to what it was. You can see the trees and branches stuck up there in the bottom of the bridge. Water was at one time when I was here, it was over over the top of this bridge. They've closed. I think they've closed the road every year we've been at our house here. At least once a year they close the road because the water ends up going over the bridge. Been raining and thunder and lightning, so I figured I'd come down here and I could relax and watch the water without having to deal with the rain if it did start raining. Have a nice cold drink and watch the water. Listen to the birds. See if any fish jump. Water's calmed down a lot. I might try fishing this a little bit tomorrow. Usually I see a lot of fish jumping around here because all the bugs skimming the surface. Usually the fish are quite active over here. They also don't bite very good when there's a lot of bugs out either because they seem to be well fed and they don't care about what I've got to feed them. Water is the lowest I've ever seen it here. This year started out really, really wet, and now it's like really dry. The lowest I've ever seen this water. I could probably just about walk across this without going underwater. I can see bottom more than 3/4 of the way across the river. Excuse me. Oh. I do think the other side's a little deeper though, because I can't see the bottom. Either that or is it too far away from it, I can't tell. I think since the water comes around that corner, when it's raining a lot, it'll come around that corner. It'll hit the side of that bank real hard. And it makes it deeper over there. Maybe we can see some crawfish. Or some minnows. Huh, I don't see anything. Oh, clay. Can see some minnows, but they're probably too small for anybody to see on the camera. Well, I don't think I can see him on the camera. Yeah, last time the water was right up to the top of this bank, which is probably about 2 to 3 feet tall, higher than it is now. Well, I guess I've bored you with another boring video, but that's something I enjoy, and I thought I'd share it with everybody. Nice and peaceful, right by my house. To hang out here and enjoy nature. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. I do this to share nature with other people that don't always get to enjoy it. And thanks for watching.